another video today. So we are gonna be Pokemon playing today. In this case we have got Pressure Plate, Pokeballs pieces, and we have Pokeballs. Let's see what we have in the other. Let's see. In the other kit we have a Flint and Steel, Creeper Spawner, and of course some usable potions. Don't you need a few healing potions? So first, let's sign this piece of paper and put like. There's some 4 pieces of paper signed. Now, let's get into this. I am planning to do. We're gonna be Pokemon trainers. Yeah, that's so fun today, because I really miss when I don't do any Bud and Owen videos. Even though it's only me, Bud in the video, I really miss when I do it. So today we are gonna be being Pokemon trainers. Yeah. So let's get suited up, since if you like Pokemon and watch this video time again, if you know a friend who likes Pokemon, maybe interest them. A minute. It's always great to tell your friend about something they knew it would make your friend interested. Anything that you think is interesting and you want me to do, put in the comments below. Or if you want any sort of happening thing, but so cool, but you want me to do. That was a little funny, since I didn't expect him to like blow up like that. So let's go and see what we can do. So now we've done like official stuff, maybe like I don't know, catch the Pokemon stuff. So let's be the Pokemon trainer. So we have got Pokeballs. So let's see what we can catch, because we've got to catch them all. I can't fight her. I felt really bad aim with this. Oh, there's a village. He level 20. He's worth time to capture.
Electrike broke free.
Let's try one more time on him with this ball.
Electrike broke free.
Let's try. Now let's go to the village. I'm not even trying to catch him. He is being very troubling. So let's just go to the village. Hello. How can I help you? It needs to be healed. Thank you. He's level 5, you know. Do you mind if I check this chest? Here's some flowers, dirt, seeds, and plus the Pokeballs. If you ever want to become a Pokemon trainer. Sign paper missiles, flint steel, creeper spawners, and usual potions you might need. Yeah, that's what I can give you. Thank you, miss. You are very kind. Let's try to catch it.
You captured Rattata. Raptor Power 123. The Angry has made the advancement weightlifter.
Let's see. I need to go somewhere where I can get to sleep. Maybe up there. Yeah. So cause we are Pokemon trainer, and this is basically our village. Well, one of the villages we found, and basically we are just checking it out. Hopefully we can stay here. Hopefully there's a way we can stay here. No, I don't know. So I need us to the I don't know. I said we have to get this. Okay, let's just fly up, pretend we did not do that, and get in. Actually, in favor, how about we build them away? Let's get some Lapiazuya brick. There you go. Now you're gonna always get out and always get in easily. So I don't know. Okay, so hello, miss. Do you mind if I stay here? No problem at all. Okay, so let me first get myself at home, get a bed out for the night, and don't mind if I keep here. No, at all. So I'm just gonna stay here and I'll just have a kip. Yep. I really love from you guys to watch my videos, guys. Every time you watch my videos, it shows more support to me and makes me feel more honored to be doing these videos. But tell me if you ever want me to do something really crazy. I'm up to like crazy things. Like
Raptor Power
blowing up
123. The
stuff.
Angry has made the advancement Sweet Dreams.
I would be feeling free to do that. I love fun things. Santa, why are you here? Why are you here, Santa? So I'm a Pokemon player. I've got a level 2 at town, level 5. There's nothing I can do. But I found hey, there was a it was a I got a book about Pokemon being very hard. Maybe get a really good ball. Oh, but where can I get a really good ball? So I will place it on the shelf. I put it in my box. Now, hello. Can I please come in? Yes. And they very generally gave me some stuff. So, one of them gave me something really interesting. They gave me this. I don't know exactly what this is. Another gave me this interesting thing. But the third one was awfully so kind to give me some new Pokeballs. I'll play a new type of Pokeballs. And it was him. thank you. I think I'll be leaving now. Hey, Mother, I thought I would be trying in a Pokemon. The dwarf getting, oh, hello. And they gave me some stuff too, since they knew I was a Pokemon trainer. They gave me a Lanta, and they gave me a beautiful shield. And what time I give them these interesting things? And my old Pokeballs and extra solution.
Rattata broke free. You captured Rattata. Raptor Power 123. The Angry has made the advancement catch of the day. You captured Rattata. Meowth broke free. You captured Meowth. You captured Mariab. Now right-click the mailbox to claim ownership. Successfully set the owner of the mailbox to Raptor Power 123.
Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. In the show today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make toast. Some people are quite intimidated when it comes to making toast, but all you've really got to do is stick your sliced bread into the toaster and then turn it on.
OMG, he totally texted me back.
No way.
Yes. What? I literally can't even.
Me too, girl.
No, like literally?
Yeah.
Like you don't even understand how.
And he prays. Oh my God, I pray. I pray to see your face. Yeah. And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey.
Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. In the show today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make toast. Some people are quite intimidated when it comes to making toast, but all you've really got to do is stick your sliced bread into the toaster and then turn it on.
OMG, he totally texted me.
And he prays. Oh my God, I pray. I pray to see your face. Yeah. And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah.
Welcome back to Cooking with the Cray. In the show today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make toast. Some people are quite intimidated when it comes to making toast, but all you've really got to do is stick your sliced bread into the toaster and then turn it on.
OMG, he totally texted me back. No way. Yes. What? I literally can't even. Me too, girl. No, like literally? Yeah. Like you don't even understand how much I can't even. That's insane. If there's a scale from 1 to even, I can't. That's a lot. I'm literally so much right now. Okay. And I'm dead. Wow. I'm literally can't evening. It didn't even happen to me and I'm.
And he prays. Oh my God, I pray. I pray to see your face. Yeah. And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah.
OMG, he totally.
And he prays.